Hello, children. Very beautiful morning to all. So, we'll continue with our chapter 16. Okay. Now, we've completed last, that is structure of government. So, we are in Gram Panchayat. So, we will see the formation, that is composition. What is the formation, how it is created, like that. Gram Panchayat is the most important unit in the institution of local self-government. It is a very important in what local. Gram Panchayat mean it is local place, okay, not in district or not in state. So it is a very important part of local self government. Gram Panchayat is composed in the village having population from 500 to 25,000. So how here we can get two things, that how we can see that this is a small local village if the population reside between 500 to 25,000 people, so it is a local self government there resist, and it is handled by Gram Panchayat. So remember it, okay. There are maximum 8 and minimum 8 and maximum 16 candidates elected on the basis of population. So how many persons? Minimum at least 8 persons should be there, not less than 8, okay, and not more than 16. Population in the Gram Panchayat. Candidate should be there. They should elect. Head of the Gram Panchayat is called Sarpanch. Who is the head? The person who gets more votes and he is liable for that post is known as Sarpanch. Sarpanch as well as other candidates of Gram Panchayat are elected after every 5 years. So the duration of that is of every 5 years. Not if you are elected. Suppose if a party is elected and it won the election, so he have to handle the whole Gram Panchayat for at least 5 years. 5 years. He cannot complete in 4 years or 3 years. He cannot say that I don't have to handle it. All the members of that party have to handle that for 5 years. And if an other election, if that party again win, then 5 years. It is the duration of 5 years. Voters select Sarpanch through direct voting. They are voting directly. Your father and mothers are going, here blue ink is there. Put a sign so that we can know that they gone for voting. They had voted like that. Ward members are elected by the voters of concerned wards. The Gram Panchayat election are not contested by any political party or any symbol of any political party. It is not consented by any political party that this party have to do. I just give an example of A and B like that. Here no symbol of any political party. The head of the local, the person will think this is liable. So in Gram Panchayat like this they will elect. See here direct voting. Gram Panchayat is there. Voting is not given but administration is there. We'll discuss it. Now administration. The Sarpanch and the member of the Gram Panchayat together decide the work development by making resolution on the development. The Sarpanch means the head, okay. So if the see here picture, the head is sitting and the other people, that minimum 8 and maximum 16. So between the people is there, they will sit and decide that what new resolution have to done, so that many changes is there have to done. So they will sit together and decide. Talati cum minister is appointed by the government. He or she handle the administration work. That whose administration work means that this person will do that thing. Suppose to handle the coast, this person will take care of the area B. Like that administration is divided. The work is divided. This is done by Talati cum minister and he is appointed by the government. Administration work, collect tax. So administration work means collect tax, make reports of Gram Panchayat that what the activity is done, and prepare forms and keep records of budgetary account. Okay, the Talati cum minister is appointed by whom? Government. He handles administrative work, then collect tax, report of Gram Panchayat, and all the budgetary work is done by Talati cum minister. The office of a Gram Panchayat is called as a village secretariat, and that office of Gram Panchayat is called as village secretariat. Remember it this point. Source of income of Gram Panchayat. Now what is the source of income from Gram Panchayat? They are not doing any business. So how they will get money? From which source they will get money? So first, water tax. We are giving all the types of tax that we are using in our daily life. If we are using water, then we have to give a tax for that. So the government will get an income from it and they provide it again. Cleaning tax in our home and street, peoples are coming to clean our street, so that tax is also collected by us. Property tax, our house is that tax is also collected. Shop taxes, our shop is located, that tax is also collected. So these are the source of income. Now second, grant given by the state government and the central government. If they are giving permission to build any temple or new building or anything, they will tax charge from it. So this is an income of it. Giving the house member functions. Now what is the function of first Gram Panchayat? First, giving the house member arrangement of household and drinking water. They have to what to doing, that although he have to take care of all the facilities, he have to arrange household and drinking water from where it get. Making roads paths in village, they have to make roads so the person can walk it properly and no accident take place, like that they have to take care. Cleaning of village street and disposal of dirty water. So in our street comings, so what vendors are coming now to clean our street. This all the household things are the function of Gram Panchayat. Maintenance of public property, maintenance of health related facility in village hospitals, and that lightning arrangement in the village, providing light and all these things. Education facilities including primary education in the village, awareness propagation, planning of the village development, that which things new things should be done so that our village it's to be modern, or new technology should be invented. Maintenance of crops and pasture in the village, that how the crop can be grown more. Of land asset office, that which land are how much type of land is there, which land is with whom, with person, like that all the type of maintenance they have to do. Maintenance of birth and death register, who is taking birth, because birth is in the world, or in say every minute or every second some birth is occurring and death is also occurring. So here they have to file the register that this person born and this person died. So we came to know that how much population is also there and how much population is living or the death occurred. So like this maintenance, and this is the function of Gram Panchayat. Okay, so Gram Sabha we will see in next lecture. Thank you.